Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Azalea Park local and long-distance movers near me. If you're planning a local move to Azalea Park, 3 Movers is an excellent option for several reasons. When you hire 3 Movers for your local move, you should know that your move will surely be a success, and it will also save you time and energy. Moving locally usually involves sorting, packing your belongings, loading the truck, and transporting the belongings over long distances. With us in charge, you can relax and have peace of mind knowing that we will successfully carry out the move for you. All you have to do is hire us, and you can focus on other moving-related details. Are you attempting to carry out your long-distance move to Azalea Park alone? We organize long-distance moves around the United States and the country. Let us handle your move. You don't have to worry about anything else. An excellent reason to consider using our services is our efficient transport options. When moving long distances, one thing to look at is the kind of moving vehicles that the company you're hiring for your move is using. This is very important because the kind of vehicles or transport options can make or break your move. That's why hiring a professional moving company like 3 Movers is vital for your move to Azalea Park. Our team of experienced movers uses specialized equipment and moving to protect your items during transport. We also have top-notch moving trucks that minimize damage when on the road. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Azalea Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.